Right, so now we'll go very quickly through PR, which I could do a whole 3-hour presentation on in of itself, but I'll, touch it briefly here now, because for the most part, it's the end game for long-stay foreign nationals. Right of Abode is manifested in the permanent identity card, as you can appreciate, and you claim the right of abode by applying to verify your eligibility for permanent identity card under application forms ROP 145146. For the purposes of this discussion, I'm not going to go into qualifying for PR by descent in relation to Chinese nationality. This is purely just long stay, had a back-to-back residence visa in Hong Kong for 7 years. And then you have to show continuous ordinary residence for a settled purpose. And your settled purpose is a function of the visa type that you hold. So if you had an employment visa, you've been working for the full 7 years. You can have gaps in your employment, but you can have gaps in your back-to-back residence visa status. Similarly, if you've had a business investment visa as an entrepreneur, you've been actively operating a business for the 7 years claimed, and that forms the basis of your ordinary residence. If you've been here as a dependent, you've been here for family reunion and maintain back-to-back residence status with your sponsor who's been holding the other visa type, and so on and so forth. In order to get the status, there must be no outstanding taxation liabilities or security objections. Now, the real play here is ordinary residence and how you go about manifesting that. So if you click the links on the document that accompanies this presentation, you'll see that I've set out a plethora of resources on all the case law that goes to make up what is the starting premise for ordinary residence that the Immigration Department look to when looking at applications for PR from long stay or foreign nationals who've been ordinarily resident or have been living in Hong Kong continuously for a full 7 years.